Hello boys and girls and welcome back into my channel. In today's video I played this amazing game in the modded one, so please stay with me until the end of this video and I will show you also the first part of the gameplay always in the modded one. Also I'm starting now a new series, so please support if you can, guys. You should write the full name right here and you should write it correctly, guys. So you should write it correctly, the full name right here. As you see in the modded one, tap right here. No, let's just tap right here again. Sorry guys, tap right here. So if you're using Android, everything would be automatically. I repeat again, if you're using Android, everything would be automatically. In iOS you do something I will show you, but more important for me is to give a feedback, to say something about the gameplay or the way I will play it in the modded one. So please say something, comment below or add me a chat box, whatever guys, just give a feedback. If something is not going correctly, don't hesitate to comment below. Also you can mail me and I will give you the right answer and solution back by mail. At 100% we will go at the settings. So guys, all you have to do is to be a little bit patient and stay with me until the end of this video. But if you're enjoying this video, please don't forget to subscribe and give it a like, and I will do another video for the second part of the game. Okay guys, just wait a few seconds more. As I told you, at 100% we will go back at the settings. Okay, perfect. So after that we should go at the settings and you see this profile pop right here. Tap it guys. All I have to do is to tap right here. As you see, next, tap again. And done. Let's see guys. Okay, perfect, everything looks just fine, so now we can enjoy together the first part of the gameplay in the modded one. Let's start now guys. Let's see if everything is working just fine. It takes a little bit for loading because it's opened for the first time, and a couple of loading. After that we will start and enjoy together this amazing game in the modded one with unlimited resources automatically activated, so you have to do nothing there guys, just to enjoy this amazing game. Because unlimited resources are automatically activated. Okay, this is the disclaimer because you should be 18 plus. Understood. Tap right here. And it's starting now. As you see at the left, you have unlimited resources automatically activated, so you have to do nothing just to enjoy this amazing game. That's it guys. See you in the next video. Please don't forget to subscribe and give it a like. Bye bye everyone and peace out.